Part 1. Basic Setup and Standard Use. First, install the high feet to raise the machine and make room for the R6 roller. Use a USB cable to connect the R6 rotary roller to your machine. Open AtomStack Studio and enable rotary mode. Place the item you want to engrave onto the rotary and focus the laser module as usual. Before engraving, make sure both the rotary and your desktop surface are level. In the software, select the design or import the file you want to use. Then choose the material. The software will load the recommended settings automatically. Click Frame to preview the engraving position. Once everything is ready, start engraving. Part 2. Adjusting the roller gap for thinner items. For smaller items like pencils, we recommend adjusting the roller gap using the following steps. This prevents the object from slipping through and ensures a stable engraving. Once the adjustment is done, you can follow the standard engraving steps. If the focusing stick is too far, place a spacer under the roller to raise it. Then refocus and adjust position.